Let's see if there's anybody at home. Hey, Fuzzball. Hey, Fuzz. Hello, Fuzzy. My little meepy.
Okay, now where's my little meepy?
Excuse me then, Nick. Hold on. Hey. Hey, fella. Hey, fella. Hello, Fuzzball.
Little Fuzzy.
There's Tala. Hello, Tala.
Let me.
Let's give them some food.
Let me.
Hey, Tala. There, Echo. Look, Tala's coming. If you move back here, Tala might come. Sit there. Sit there. Because this will be a first if she does. Let's move this over here. Right, you sit down there. And wait a second. Hey, let's see if she comes. Come on, first. No. What I mean is, Echo, let's see if Tala comes.
I want to stop them all.
I know you can. Hold on.
Fuzzball's running away.
No, he's not.
Wait, look.
Just let's see if she comes over.
I'm just going to go behind you, okay?
Okay, you can go behind me. Are you alright, Tala? Come on then.
This is called lava, buddy. Fuzzball, no! It's too dark.
Tala. Tala. Here you go. There you go. See, it's alright. Never gonna hurt you, Tala. Tala's still so shy. This is a miracle. This is the closest he or she has ever been to me or anyone. She still, or he, is so hissy and scared and sketched out by people. Look at that, one eye on me the whole time. Fuzzball and Squeak are not like that at all.
Mum,
Yeah.
Fuzzball is outside and the cat just run past me.
Hey, don't do that. Get it out of her eyes. Look, Tala's right here, Echo. Hello, Fuzzball.
Fuzzy.
Don't put the torch right in their eyes, baby.
I want to stop Fuzzy.
Oh, you can in a minute, Echo. Just let them eat. Right now, it's just nice to see Tala up close. Well, I've never seen Tala up close. This is as close as I've ever been to her. And Fuzzball all the time, don't we, Fuzzy? Hey? Never Tala. Hey?
Tala.
Yeah, cute kittens.
I'm wearing a collar.
Echo, come on, put that back, please. You're scaring them.
I'm going outside.
Okay.
With a torch.
Hello, Fuzzball. Hello, Fuzzball. Yes. Yes.
Mum,
Yeah.
owl just went over me.
Did it?
Yeah.
Hey, Tala. Hey, Fuzz. Hey, good boy. Hey, Tala.
I want to go play.
See?
with my brother.
Any closer? No. That's
I'm
it.
gonna go in the house and
That's the
play with
closest.
Dad, okay?
Okay. And off she goes. And off he goes. And off she goes.